Yeah, thank you for having me. The journey for us has been amazing. As you said, we started off in 2015, way before OakNorth got its banking license. So our founders, Rishi and Joel, had previous experience in India. They built a venture here, which was sold to Moody's Corporation. So they were already familiar with the value that India brings in. Therefore, they started off with India being set up as an integral part of the organization, not as an afterthought. So we have always been a equal co-partner, so to say, in innovation and decision making. That just creates a whole different culture, right? You're able to work smoothly across locations, across teams, with a single mission, which is to help entrepreneurs grow and to help savers do more with their money, right? So everyone gets aligned, and that has resulted in amazing growth track record for us. We've lent about $17 billion in UK and US. We have created social impact as well because of that, because it resulted in creation of 61,000 new jobs and 36,000 new homes, most of which were in affordable housing. So it has been a growth with an impact, with a social impact on the society as well. Right. So the secret is, again, being fully aligned to your mission, not having us versus them kind of a mindset, so that everyone gets aligned to the mission of the organization versus setting up your own agenda that I want to do this from India, I want to do this from UK, I want to do this from US. Getting aligned on the company level KPIs, and every individual in the organization is focused on that. Then culture becomes very, very important, right? So you need to ensure that the teams are motivated, they are integrated, there is a career path for the individuals, and you're giving access to the right tools and technologies and right coaching and right training for individuals to have that mindset of experimentation, right? And with that, you also need to bring in that element of psychological safety, right? Because not every experiment is successful. So you do a lot of things, you fail fast, so to say, and you learn from that experience, and then you are able to innovate, right? So it's about having the right culture of innovation, having the right talent, and working towards the organization's goals, right? That has helped us create that software which is built on data and forward-looking scenario analysis, powered by artificial intelligence, which is powering our US expansion and is also used by a lot of top 10 banks in the US. So when you talk about our GCC in India, we are theoretically a GCC, but practically I would like to call it a location which is part of the organization, right? We do everything in a fully integrated manner for OakNorth, and that's what differentiates us. Because that just creates a culture of solving for customers, which then creates positive outcomes for people who we are serving, right? Who are entrepreneurs in the middle market in the US and UK, and saving personal savers through our personal saving products. Right. So, I mean, look at all the numbers, right? We produce millions of engineers. We would soon have highest number of AI professionals in the world. So there is no dearth of talent when it comes to India. So India would always continue to be an integral part of the organization. So it's not about how we integrate India more. It's about, okay, how do we have the teams continue to focus on the goals of the organization. So for example, it's not just the existing business lines, but whenever something new is happening, when we thought about expanding into US, team members from India were part of that discussion. They had seat on the table. They were working hand in hand with global counterparts in taking the decisions. And yeah, that's how it has been, and it would continue to be like that. I would say that we are fully integrated with OakNorth. We are focused on meeting the goals of the organization. That's what differentiates us.